everyone. Now we will be viewing library module. In book categories, all the books of different subjects and its sub-subjects can be added. In book penalty details, the penalty for not submitting the books on time can be added. In library order, the books can be ordered by clicking on Add Book Order and filling the necessary details. After the order has been received, the status can be changed to approved. To order any book again, it can be ordered by clicking on Old Order and entering the book identity. All its details can be exported. Its effect can be viewed in Accounting Management module in Debit. In Book Library, all the books available in the library can be viewed, and all its print can be printed. In Issue or Return Book, books can be issued and details like book name, copies available, issued for how many days, etc. can be viewed or added. If any employee or student fail to submit on the submission date, then penalties will be charged. In return book history, all the books that has been returned can be seen. Also, the penalty charged can be viewed. Its effect can be viewed in Accounting Management in Credit. In ebook categories, ebook can be added along with its categories. In ebook library, the ebook added can be viewed and it can also be downloaded. Thank you so much for watching.